What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the TEDS woodworking before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the TEDS woodworking works. What is TEDS Woodworking Package? TEDS Woodworking Package was created by skilled woodworker Ted McGrath, who is also an educator and member of WOE. This innovative bundle contains a diverse selection of 16,000 ideas and easy projects, including arch plans, barn plans, cabinet plans, doghouse plans, garage plans, balance sheets, windmill plans, and many more. Who is TEDS Woodworking Package for? TEDS Woodworking Package is ideal for woodworkers of all levels, from beginners to the most experienced. Those just starting out will find ideas and projects easy to follow thanks to TED's simple step-by-step instructions. This resource is perfect for anyone who wants to improve their carpentry and joinery skills in a practical and organized way. What's inside TEDS Woodworking Package? Inside TEDS Woodworking Package you will find a number of useful resources, including free CAD plans and drawings viewer, essential tool for viewing carpentry plans. Complete guide to carpentry and joinery, a 200-page resource for beginners to learn and advance their skills. 150 premium carpentry videos that help to deepen knowledge and practice in carpentry. Benefits of TEDS Woodworking Package and how to best use it. Projects for all levels. Projects suitable for woodworkers of all levels, with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Useful bonuses, additional tools that complement the learning and practice of carpentry. Excellent organization. Despite the large volume of projects, the package is well organized, making it easy to search for any specific project. Guarantee. The package comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, ensuring satisfaction to buyers. Pros and cons of TEDS Woodworking Package. Pros. Ideas and projects for all levels, from beginners to professionals, everyone can benefit. Incredible bonuses, additional tools that enrich the learning experience. Impeccable organization, facilitates navigation and project selection. Guarantee, provides security when purchasing. Cons. Download time. It may take a while to download due to the size of the package. Volume overwhelming. The large number of ideas and projects can be a little overwhelming for some users. Conclusion. TEDS Woodworking Package is a complete and vast resource that contains virtually every woodworking project a woodworker could want. Created by Ted McGrath, this bundle is unparalleled and cannot be compared to other woodworking resources available on the internet. Ted has done his best to guide users in every way possible with easy-to-understand textual instructions, clear images, and videos. Therefore, woodworkers who purchase TED's Woodworking Resource will not be disappointed with the ideas and projects they find. Definitely worth buying.